Snipers, you have to see what's happening to the Bitcoin price right now, as Bitcoin's volatility just hit a new low for the year. And that means that this next move is coming very soon. I skipped breakfast to get this video out to you, Snipers, because this was such a critical update. Check this out. Actually, over the last 515 days, we haven't seen Bitcoin volatility this low. In the past, this has led to major moves for Bitcoin. Let's talk about what to expect, as there's so many puzzle pieces that are going to start opening up here with traditional markets and futures markets, and that's going to potentially bring in the liquidity that we need for Bitcoin to see this next move. Snipers, smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm if you support this content. Let's dive straight into the charts. So right now, Bitcoin still facing the major resistance at 44,800. It wasn't a coincidence that yesterday's daily candle high was $44,792, less than $10 shy of our extremely important Snipers resistance here at 44,800. And I still stand with my opinion that if we start seeing bullish candles on the 4-hour chart close above 44,800, that's going to be the confirmation we're going to be seeing Bitcoin break out to its first target of 49,700 to then play inside of the range between 49,700 and 44,800. So we'd pretty much see Bitcoin move up to 50,000 US dollars and then go range bound and stay above 45,000 US dollars. That's scenario number one. Now that we're seeing volatility come down, we could expect the move soon, and a 4-hour candle confirmation above 44,800 will confirm this breakout. I believe in the midterm that 44,800 breaking is actually going to bring Bitcoin up to 58,353, but we'll talk about that later. And I also want to address some of the bearish potential scenarios on the table, as we always talk about the bulls and the bears on this channel. Now, so far, what I'll say is on the 4-hour, this is the second test of this level, and we got a nicer candle for this test of 44,800. As a matter of fact, we got two candles on the 4-hour chart that got to stick to the $44,800 level. To me, this indicates bullishness, almost like an ascending triangle ready to break out. We haven't seen the market come down even to test the monthly open at 43,000 US dollars. That's extremely bullish. But in any case, we know futures markets are going to open soon. This monthly open here at 43,000 is a major support. We want to stay above this to assume this move is going to be to the upside. If we start to break down from 43,000, we'll talk about some downside scenarios, but just know 41,950, pretty much the $42,000 level, is the major support. And as long as we stay above 42,000, the breakout is still in play for Bitcoin to move towards its 200-day moving average and test the $50,000 level. At that point, I do expect us to slow down, as you guys know, before potentially seeing another move to the upside. Now, understand this, right now, we're going to be seeing futures markets open here very soon, Snipers. I'm going to have breakfast in just a second, but this is what we need to monitor coming into this week. Ethereum to Bitcoin charts is going to be a leading indicator for all other altcoins in the market, and it's currently testing a major resistance. We have to monitor how this Ethereum to Bitcoin chart moves if we see this volatile move for Bitcoin come on the table. And then secondly, we want to monitor the DXY and the S&P 500, because both Bitcoin and the S&P 500 are testing their 20-week moving average right now. So we could consider them at the same exact place. And so if we see something happen in the S&P 500 that is a little bit off the table, it's a little bit odd, unusual, maybe we start to see some downside, then I'll certainly get a video update out to you guys. But everything's looking good. The print's looking very bullish in the outside revolving parts. We could expect the breakout as long as things continue the way they are. Now, the last thing I want to mention here, Snipers, is there's another chart here that we also really want to monitor, and that's going to be this gold to Bitcoin chart. So far, it's been showing signs of correlation with Bitcoin dominance. And so if we see this volatile move, we could look at Bitcoin dominance, see what happens to Bitcoin dominance, and then assume that that's also going to happen to the gold to Bitcoin chart. If we see Bitcoin dominance continue to push further down, that would be an extremely bullish sign that also says that the gold to Bitcoin chart will also come down. That means that Bitcoin becomes stronger than gold. But if we see this push back up above 44%, then that might change things, and we'll have to rediscuss other scenarios. But that's pretty much what we have to monitor. Expect a move, snipers, very soon, with our volatility hitting new yearly lows yesterday. Huge puzzle piece there to indicate a move is coming in the next 24 to 48 hours, potentially, maybe while you're watching this video. So smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm, snipers, if you support this content once again. And if you're new to the channel here at youtube.com/snipers, subscribe if you've yet to do so that we can hit our goal of 100,000 snipers on this channel. Already over 50,000 snipers tuned into the channel. I appreciate each and every one of you. I couldn't do this without you. And until next time, snipers,